In the world of design, minimalism is often misunderstood as cold, boring, or lacking personality. But that couldn't be further from the truth. If you're struggling to make your minimalist space feel warm, inviting, and unique, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down 7 incredible styles of minimalism that fuse elegance, comfort, and character, showing you how to master the art of creating beautiful living rooms that are both simple and full of life. Whether you're a fan of sleek modern lines, rustic charm, or coastal serenity, we've got you covered. If you're new here, welcome to the Visionary Designs family. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. We've got plenty of ideas to help you transform your spaces. Let's get started. Imagine a room where simplicity meets warmth, where every element feels intentional and uncluttered, yet somehow inviting and full of life. Welcome to the world of Scandinavian minimalism. Scandinavian minimalism is about more than just clean lines and neutral tones. It's a philosophy rooted in functionality and calm. It's the kind of design that strips away the unnecessary, but never at the cost of comfort or beauty. The focus is on light, bright spaces, where natural materials like wood and stone create a feeling of warmth, even in the most minimal of settings. This style makes use of soft textures, from plush throws to gentle lighting, which adds a layer of coziness to the otherwise sparse decor. It's minimalism with a soul, spaces that are free of clutter, but rich in atmosphere. You'll often see light woods and muted color palettes that feel both timeless and modern. There's also a strong connection to nature, with plenty of light-filled spaces and large windows, allowing the outdoors to play a part in the overall design. Scandinavian minimalism is about creating an effortless, peaceful environment where form and function are in perfect balance, making your living space a serene retreat in the everyday rush of life. Picture a space where raw, unfinished materials meet sleek, modern design. A perfect blend of urban edge and minimalist sophistication. This is industrial minimalism, a fusion that redefines simplicity. Industrial minimalism takes the stripped-back aesthetic of minimalism and infuses it with the gritty charm of industrial design. Think exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and steel accents paired with clean lines and an uncluttered layout. The beauty of this style lies in its rawness. Nothing is overly polished, yet everything feels intentional. It's a celebration of materials in their purest form, where imperfections become part of the design's charm. This fusion often uses a neutral color palette, grays, blacks, and browns, allowing the textures and materials to take center stage. Industrial lighting fixtures, large windows, and open spaces create a sense of openness and airiness, despite the heavier materials. The minimalism comes through in the lack of excess. Furniture is kept simple, often with a rugged, utilitarian feel. But even with the starkness, the spaces never feel cold. The contrast between hard surfaces and soft furnishings, like leather sofas or plush rugs, adds warmth and character to the environment. Industrial minimalism is a bold yet refined style that makes a powerful statement with minimal means. Imagine a space where artistic expression meets the beauty of simplicity, a vibrant oasis that feels both relaxed and thoughtfully curated. Welcome to modern Bohemian minimalism. Modern Bohemian minimalism is a delightful fusion that embraces a carefree, eclectic spirit while maintaining a minimalist approach. This style captures the essence of Bohemian life: rich colors, unique patterns, and a mix of cultural influences, while ensuring that the space remains uncluttered and serene. It's about layering textures and colors without overwhelming the senses. In this design, you'll find natural materials like wood and rattan, combined with soft textiles and greenery that breathe life into the space. The color palette is often warm and inviting, featuring earthy tones, jewel hues, and pops of color that reflect personal stories and travels. The key is to keep the decor intentional. Every item has meaning, whether it's a beautifully woven rug, handcrafted pottery, or an art piece that resonates. While embracing the Bohemian ethos, modern Bohemian minimalism values open spaces and clean lines. Furniture is comfortable yet stylish, often incorporating vintage pieces that add character. Natural light plays a vital role, enhancing the warm atmosphere and allowing the vibrant colors to shine without feeling chaotic. This fusion encourages self-expression while promoting a peaceful living environment. A harmonious blend where the free-spirited essence of Bohemian design meets the tranquility of minimalism. Envision a serene retreat that captures the essence of the coast. Breezy, light-filled spaces that feel like a gentle embrace from the ocean itself. Welcome to coastal minimalism. Coastal minimalism is a refreshing fusion that brings the tranquil vibes of seaside living into a clean, minimalist design. This style emphasizes an airy atmosphere where simplicity meets the soothing colors and textures of nature. Soft whites, sandy beiges, and ocean blues create a palette that mirrors the natural landscape, evoking feelings of calm and relaxation. In coastal minimalism, light is paramount. Large windows and open spaces allow natural light to flood in, making the interiors feel bright and inviting. Materials often include light woods, linens, and cottons that enhance the breezy feel, while decorative elements might incorporate subtle nautical touches without overwhelming the space. Furniture is kept low profile and functional, with an emphasis on comfort. Think cozy sofas adorned with soft throws and minimalist designs that still offer a sense of warmth. Accessories, such as driftwood sculptures or seashell decor, are used sparingly, celebrating the beauty of nature without cluttering the space. The goal of coastal minimalism is to create a harmonious sanctuary that feels connected to the outdoors, where each element contributes to an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. It's a style that invites you to unwind and breathe, reflecting the gentle rhythms of coastal life. Imagine a space that marries the timeless elegance of mid-century design with the clean lines of modern minimalism, a perfect blend of nostalgia and contemporary simplicity. Welcome to modern mid-century minimalism. Modern mid-century minimalism celebrates the iconic elements of mid-century design while embracing a minimalist approach that prioritizes functionality and form. This style features the warm, organic shapes and vibrant colors, characteristic of the mid-century era, paired with an uncluttered aesthetic that feels fresh and current. In this fusion, you'll find classic mid-century furniture pieces. Think sleek wooden profiles, tapered legs, and bold upholstery, set against a backdrop of neutral tones and open spaces. The color palette often includes warm earth tones, rich jewel hues, and crisp whites, creating a sense of warmth and sophistication without overwhelming the senses. While honoring mid-century design, this style emphasizes the importance of negative space. Accessories are kept minimal, allowing the beauty of each piece to shine. Artwork is often bold and graphic, providing a focal point without cluttering the environment. Modern mid-century minimalism is about creating a home that feels both nostalgic and contemporary, where every piece is a reflection of thoughtful design and timeless beauty. It's a celebration of simplicity that doesn't sacrifice character or warmth, inviting you to enjoy a harmonious and stylish living space. Picture a sanctuary where tranquility reigns and every element encourages mindfulness, a space designed not just for living, but for truly experiencing peace. Welcome to Zen Minimalism. Zen minimalism draws inspiration from traditional Japanese aesthetics and philosophies, creating environments that evoke calmness and balance. This style emphasizes simplicity, where each element serves a purpose, promoting a serene atmosphere conducive to reflection and relaxation. In Zen minimalism, natural materials take center stage. Think smooth stones, warm woods, and soft fabrics that invite touch and create a grounded feel. The color palette is typically muted, featuring soft whites, earthy tones, and gentle greens that echo the tranquility of nature. Spaces are designed with intention, often featuring open layouts that allow for the free flow of energy. Minimalist furniture pieces are low to the ground, fostering a connection to nature and inviting a sense of humility. The arrangement of furniture is purposeful, creating a harmonious balance that encourages mindfulness and calm. The essence of Zen minimalism lies in its ability to create a refuge from the chaos of daily life. It invites you to pause, breathe, and find clarity in a space that embodies peace and intentional living, encouraging a deeper connection with oneself and the surrounding environment. Imagine a space where rustic charm meets refined simplicity, creating a warm atmosphere that feels like home. Welcome to Farmhouse Minimalism. Farmhouse minimalism is a style that blends the cozy, inviting elements of traditional farmhouse design with the clean lines and uncluttered essence of minimalism. This fusion emphasizes natural materials and a soothing color palette that evokes a sense of tranquility. The overall aesthetic focuses on open spaces that encourage connection and comfort. Every element is chosen with intention, promoting a feeling of harmony without overwhelming the senses. The use of textures is key, as they create warmth and depth while maintaining a serene atmosphere. In farmhouse minimalism, decor is kept to a minimum, with only a few thoughtfully selected pieces that enhance the space without cluttering it. The style encourages a sense of openness, where light and air flow freely, contributing to a welcoming environment. Lighting is also an important aspect, often favoring natural sources that highlight the beauty of the space. The goal is to create a home that feels both timeless and contemporary, where every element works together to foster a sense of peace and simplicity. Farmhouse minimalism invites you to embrace a lifestyle that values quality, comfort, and a deep connection to nature, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a harmonious living space. As we conclude our exploration of these 7 captivating minimalism fusions, we hope you found inspiration to redefine your own space in beautiful, meaningful ways. Each style offers a unique approach to creating an environment that embodies simplicity while celebrating your personal taste. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of minimalism, please take a moment to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more ideas that elevate your living spaces. Thank you for joining us today. Embrace the elegance of minimalism and let your home reflect the tranquility and beauty you deserve. Until next time, happy designing.